Hello YouTube, welcome. This is day 3, Tour de FAFF 2026. We're getting ready to leave. Steve's looking at trading his bike in, so he's going to have a look at another bike. So we'll do that today. So this is all the bikes ready. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Okay YouTube, welcome. This was us just looking at a...
Strapping lads and lassies. This ain't your average travel vlog. It's throttle, grit and glory. Let's ride! Yo, it's the Scottish biker, revving loud and clear. From the Highlands to the Alps, shifting every gear.
A bike. Steve, the Dorset rider, was looking at a new bike. Are we going right or left? All clear. Faff a lot, faff a lot. Catch the pigeon! Oh, Roger! What? Dodge, you've got a thing about bin liners. I think you seriously need psychiatric help. Lovely, innit? The FAFF boys taking photos. The drone would be good to you, Ron. I'd have been better to get mine out. There it goes. There it goes. That wasn't a droney. Have you not saw my videos where I put the drone and rode the bike? Take your time, Ron, take your time. It's a Tour de FAFF. Clear. It's amazing, Ron. I said it's amazing. Yeah. Oh, amazing. No, it's reserve petrol for Alan. Look, it's a lawnmower. Oh, that's right, yeah. That guy's got a sweat on now. I'm ready. I'm going to look up his address and send him a big box of bin liners. Oh, hang on a minute. Why was he flashing his lights? Lovely! Yeah. They're like hedgehogs! They're like hedgehogs! I'm surprised to see BMWs out when it's raining. Are we stopping for a FAFF stop? Clear, clear. Ron, we're not in Europe yet. Stay on your inside of the road. Lovely, lovely. Lovely view, isn't it?
Strapping lads and lassies, this ain't your average travel vlog. It's throttle, grit, and glory. Let's ride! Yo, it's the Scottish biker, revving loud and clear. From the Highlands to the Alps, shifting every gear.